Hi there and welcome at Smully Art. A few videos ago I drew a Wolverine and immediately in the comment section I got a request to draw Logan as well. Now that sounds like an awesome idea, so let's turn around the camera and let's start drawing. Okay, the rough sketch is done, time to break out some pencils to finish these lines and to add more details. Born as James Howlett but commonly known as Logan or by his codename Wolverine, he is a mutant who possesses animal keen senses, enhanced physical capabilities and a powerful regenerative ability known as the healing factor. He has been depicted variously as a member of the X-Men, Alpha Flight and the Avengers. The character first appeared in 1974 and was created by writer Len Wein and Marvel art director John Romita Sr., who designed the character, and he was first drawn for publication by Herb Trimpe. Wolverine then joined the revamped version of the superhero team the X-Men, where writer Chris Claremont and artist-writer John Byrne would play significant roles in the character's development. Artist Frank Miller collaborated with Claremont and helped revise the character with a 4-part limited series from September to December 1982, in which Wolverine's catchphrase, "I'm the best there is at what I do, but what I do best isn't very nice," was launched. Wolverine is a typical example of the many tough anti-heroes that emerged in American popular culture after the Vietnam War. His willingness to use deadly force and his brooding nature became standard characteristics for comic book anti-heroes by the end of the 1980s. As a result, the character became a fan favorite of the increasingly popular X-Men franchise and has been featured in his own solo comics since 1988. And guys, which Marvel character should I draw next? Let me know in the comment section. Now that the pencils are done, it's time to kick this drawing into the last phase, and that is thinking time. Here we go. Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys like my drawing of Logan and tell me which Marvel character should I draw next. Let me know in the comment section. And if you guys liked the video, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you want to help me and this channel even more, please share this content on all your social media platforms, it would help a lot. I wish you all a great weekend, my friends. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!